I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza rolls at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 package of wonton wrappers, about 1 cup of your favorite pizza sauce, and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. For toppings, consider half a cup of mini pepperonis or cooked sausage. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This ensures a smooth and delicious cooking process for your homemade treats. Now let's get to the fun part, assembly. Lay out your wonton wrappers on a clean surface. Place about 1 teaspoon of pizza sauce in the center of each wrapper. Next, add a small pinch of mozzarella cheese, roughly 1 tablespoon, and a few pieces of your chosen toppings. Dip your finger in water and moisten the edges of the wrapper. Fold 1 corner over to the opposite corner, forming a triangle, and press firmly to seal the edges. Repeat this for all your rolls. Once all your pizza rolls are assembled, arrange them in a single layer on your parchment-lined baking sheet. Make sure they aren't touching to ensure even cooking. Bake them in your preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the edges are beautifully golden brown and the cheese inside is wonderfully bubbly. Carefully remove them from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before enjoying. They will be very hot. Your delicious homemade pizza rolls are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm with a side of extra pizza sauce for dipping, if you like. Feel free to get creative with your next batch by trying different cheese combinations or even a spicy sauce. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For the best texture, reheat them in an oven or air fryer to bring back that perfect crispiness. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.